Hey, I'm new to project planning and I'm not sure where to start. Can you help me understand what it is and why it's important?
Sure thing. Project planning is the process of defining project goals, objectives, tasks, and resources required to complete the project. It's essential because it helps you organize and prioritize tasks, allocate resources effectively, and ensure that the project is completed on time and within budget.
That makes sense. What are the 7 steps of project planning?
The 7 steps of project planning are: define the project scope, create a project charter, develop a project management plan, determine project resources, establish a project budget, develop a project schedule, and create a project risk management plan.
What is the planning process?
The planning process involves identifying project goals, objectives, and tasks, determining the resources required to complete the project, creating a project management plan, and establishing a project schedule and budget. It's an iterative process that requires input from all stakeholders and is continuously reviewed and updated throughout the project lifecycle.
Who prepares the project plan?
The project manager is responsible for preparing the project plan. However, it should be a collaborative effort involving all stakeholders, including team members, sponsors, and customers. It's essential to ensure that everyone is on the same page and understands the project's goals and objectives.
How do you write a project plan?
To write a project plan, you need to follow these steps: define the project scope, identify project goals and objectives, determine project tasks and resources, develop a project schedule and budget, establish project milestones, create a risk management plan, and obtain stakeholder approval. It's essential to communicate the project plan clearly and regularly update it to ensure that the project stays on track.